Hi, we're going to continue with our series of quick tutorials on using Weebly to set up a new website. We've already shown how to sign into an account, select a template, and create a basic set of pages for our website here. As you can see in our page view here, we have a list of the pages within our website. We have 4 top-level pages: Home, Introduction, Best Works, and About Me. Under Best Works, we have Photography as a subpage and Macro as a subpage under Photography. Lots of pages already added. And we can edit any particular one of these pages here. Let's say we want to go to the Introduction page. Click on it, click Save and Edit. And as you can see, we're on the Introduction page. Actually, all the pages currently look the same, but we are on the Introduction page at this point. And here we can change the look and feel of our page. If we want to pick a different theme or template, that's where we can go to Design here, and this will allow you to change the theme. If you decide this theme isn't going to work for whatever the focus of your website is, you can change fonts so that fonts within the navigation bar up here are different. Fonts within text that you include, a number of things are different. A few things like the social icons up here, you can add and subtract those are currently enabled. You can disable them and not have them showing. Enable and disable your phone number to be showing, etc. And even a search box, which you can see is turned off. So let's go back to build here, and this is using the main editor. This is where, for example, I can go in and we can change this to be Ben Franklin's portfolio here. Actually, this looks more like John Muir's portfolio than Ben Franklin's, given the nice landscape scene here in the image. And so you can just quickly see how easily you can change the title of your portfolio. Let's go to the home page here, and you can see now that we're on the home page, we have the same title. So it's nice. There's some elements of a website that are constant across all of the websites. So notice this particular theme has a banner image, and you can change the banner images quite easily here. So if you want to put a different image up here, you can do that. This theme has this background image built in. It's just part of the template, so you can't change that unless you change your whole template. But at least you can change the banner image if you want to have your own image that you want to include instead. In a later tutorial, we'll go over adding various elements to your website. Notice this one doesn't actually have a heading here. I mean, it'd be real easy to do that by coming over to the set of tools on the left clicking on title here, and just dragging it any place on the page below your banner here. So we could drag title here. Obvious says click here to edit, and we could say this is your home page, and we could say welcome to John Muir's portfolio, and have that be your title. Then we'll show later how to add a number of other elements: text, images, videos, etc. So that's the basics of getting a website set up with pages, and then doing some quick editing on some common elements, both the title for your website as a whole. Notice when I hover over this, it also shows not just text, but I can actually insert a logo. So if I have a graphic for my website that I've created, whether it's an image or some other graphic, I can instead insert that. So if you're handy in Photoshop and want to create a logo or something, you could insert that, and that could include text plus an image or graphic of some kind or another. Last thing I wanted to show is how to save and to publish at this point. One of the things different from if you watched the Wix tutorial beforehand, within Wix you need to save and then publish as a couple of separate steps. Here in Weebly, in its editor, it is constantly saving changes that you make as you make them, so you don't have to worry about clicking on a save button at all to save them. However, when you are comfortable with your website as it is and want to now have it visible and available on the web, you'll come over here and click Publish, and it says this is the address here where you're going to find your website. Remember, we typed in test portfolio 888, and it'll be .weebly.com. and we want to publish it to that. It says categorize your website. Sure, let's call it education, and category, it's a class project. Seems like a perfect fit. And then click continue, and looks like they're having us enter here some text, and of course these are always impossible to read, but ALLALTSU, we'll see if that's correct. And it says website published. Congratulations. So this is our website address here. It says you can also select, excuse me, that's not the website address. This is the website address. In fact, we can click on it here, and I'm opening it up in a separate web page. And here is our newly created website, now published, by clicking the publish button. And here it is available. You can see up in the, actually you can't see the address at the top here, but it does say testportfolio888.weebly.com, and here we can click on introduction. Of course, the pages haven't changed at all, but you can navigate around and come back to our home page here with the text that we added here. So that's how easy it is to create a website, add some pages, and add a few elements to it within Weebly.